The 3 Raj Naval Unit NCC Annual Training Camp at NIMS University, Rajasthan, Jaipur brought together cadets from different years of experience. The camp officially commenced with the inaugural ceremony held at the university auditorium, marking the beginning of 10 days dedicated to training, leadership, and unity. Every day began before sunrise. Physical training sessions tested endurance, discipline, and mental strength. Through synchronized drills and rigorous routines, cadets learned the value of precision, resilience, and teamwork. Parade drills became a reflection of discipline itself. Every step synchronized, every movement precise, every cadet united by a shared purpose. Beyond physical training, cadets participated in theory sessions designed to strengthen naval knowledge, tactical understanding, and leadership capabilities. The camp also introduced cadets to essential naval and emergency response skills, from seamanship and swimming exercises to firefighting drills that demanded both courage and coordination. Weapon handling and firing practice emphasized focus, responsibility, and control. Cadets were trained in firearm safety, operation, assembly, and disassembly under expert supervision. Sports and group competitions brought out the spirit of camaraderie. Through relay races, volleyball, tug-of-war, and collaborative group tasks, cadets strengthened both leadership and teamwork. Group task competitions challenged cadets to think under pressure, communicate effectively, and lead as a unit, preparing them for real-world situations where teamwork becomes essential. A proud moment for the camp came with the visit of the NCC Group Commander from Para Special Forces, inspiring cadets through his presence, guidance, and words of motivation. Amidst the discipline and training, the cultural evening celebrated creativity, unity, and the vibrant spirit of the cadets, turning the camp into a family beyond uniforms. As the 10-day journey came to an end, the passing out parade stood as a symbol of growth, dedication, and achievement. What began with registration desks and unfamiliar faces concluded with confidence, discipline, leadership, and lifelong memories. The 3 Raj Naval Unit NCC Annual Training Camp at NIMS University, Rajasthan was more than an event. It was an experience that shaped character and prepared future leaders for the challenges ahead.